In 2025, bathroom renovations are all about blending technology, sustainability, and luxury for a seamless, spa-like experience. One of the leading trends is smart bathrooms, where everything from lighting to water temperature can be controlled through voice or smartphone apps. Integrated sound systems and smart mirrors with built-in displays are becoming increasingly popular. Another trend is eco-friendly designs, focusing on water-saving fixtures and sustainable materials like recycled tiles and bamboo cabinetry. Minimalist, clutter-free spaces are a big focus, with hidden storage solutions maintaining clean lines. Freestanding bathtubs, especially in organic shapes, continue to dominate the market. In showers, larger walk-in designs with rainfall showerheads and body jets are gaining popularity. Black and matte fixtures are trending, offering a striking contrast to neutral or natural tones. Terrazzo, with its unique patterns, remains a favored material for both flooring and walls. Biophilic design is also on the rise, incorporating natural elements like plants, wood, and stone into the bathroom environment. Large windows or skylights that flood the space with natural light enhance this connection to nature. Heated floors are evolving beyond luxury to a must-have feature, especially in colder climates. Accent lighting, including backlit mirrors and under-cabinet lighting, is being used to create a soothing ambience. Wall-mounted vanities with slim profiles are trending for their sleek, modern look. In terms of color palettes, soft, calming hues like sage green, muted blues, and earthy neutrals are in, promoting a tranquil atmosphere. Textured wall finishes, such as 3D tiles or rough stone, add depth and character to the space. Bathrooms are being designed as personal retreats, with spa-inspired features like steam showers, saunas, and deep soaking tubs. High-tech toilets with built-in bidets, seat warmers, and automatic lids are becoming more common. Sustainability extends to energy-efficient lighting, with LED fixtures dominating the market. Double vanities are increasingly desired in master bathrooms, offering convenience for couples.